Understanding social stratification is different from other parts of studying sociology in that it demands taking a macro look at things, looking at things from a large perspective as an outsider, looking at the whole culture. And so our question, looking at social stratification, is how social stratification developed and what impacts social stratification has on a society. And so social stratification infers that there are different levels of power, wealth, and prestige in a society. Some people have a lot, and some people have very little at all. We call these in sociology different social classes. And we use the term stratification because strata are literally layers. And so stratification literally means the layering of society into groups of people that have more or less access to wealth and power and prestige. Going back to earlier parts of our course, we learned the terms ascribed and achieved. In this case, we can apply these words to our understanding of social stratification and what they mean to you. And so a question you can ask is my social class, the layer that I am in my culture, was that something I achieved, or was it something that I was given at birth and am permanently placed there? So in the United States, I always tell my students that they were born into a social class. That is, originally it was an ascribed status, but as they mature and they make their own way in life, their social class can, to a certain extent, be achieved. So how does social class come about originally? Why are there differences between those who are rich and those who are poor? There are two basic answers to that question from the sociological perspective. One answer from the functionalist perspective is that we need to have differences of wealth and power in order to make society run. The conflict perspective says that social stratification is neither necessary nor inevitable, and that cultures can run in a very egalitarian way. These two perspectives are very different, and a deeper study of sociology would focus on the reasoning behind each.